flu-V is designed to protect against a broad range of influenza viral strains, and this includes unexpected seasonal strains or a potentially devastating pandemic strain. Flu-V is a single injection day, universal flu vaccine moved a step nearer as hVIVO plc, Lon, hVIVO, reported good responses in a phase IIb trial of its new treatment flu-V. Trevor Phillips, hVIVO's executive chairman, said flu-V is now positioned to enter a phase 3 trial, with clear disease and symptom-based endpoints identified. The trial hit both its primary and secondary endpoints, achieved with a reduction in influenza infection rates and severity and duration of symptoms also observed. Flu-V product profile is a broad-spectrum, A, B and pandemic strains, standalone, single-injection influenza vaccine. Phillips added flu-V can potentially address a much larger patient population than current flu vaccines and has blockbuster sales potential. Flu-V is being developed by Immutex Limited, hVIVO's 49% joint venture with the SEEK Group. Gregory Stoloff, SEK's chief executive, said, "The disease and symptom reduction seen with this universal influenza vaccine candidate is achieved by stimulating an immune response mediated through T. The primary endpoint was to assess the immunogenicity responses of different formulations and regimens versus placebo at 42 and 180 days post-vaccination in healthy volunteers." Shares jumped 25% to 25p. Register here to be notified of future hVIVO company articles. View full hVIVO profile. View profile. No investment advice. The company is a publisher. You understand and agree that no content published on the site constitutes a recommendation that any particular security, portfolio of securities, transaction, or investment strategy is suitable or advisable for any specific person. You further understand that none of the information providers or their affiliates will advise you personally concerning the nature, potential, advisability, value or suitability of any particular security, portfolio of securities, transaction, investment strategy, or other matter. You understand that the site may contain opinions from time to time with regard to securities mentioned in other products, including company-related products, and that those opinions may be different from those obtained by using another product related to the company. You understand and agree that contributors may write about securities in which they or their firms have a position, and that they may trade such securities for their own account. In cases where the position is held at the time of publication and such position is known to the company, appropriate disclosure is made. However, you understand and agree that at the time of any transaction that you make, one or more contributors may have a position in the securities written about. You understand that price and other data is supplied by sources believed to be reliable, that the calculations herein are made using such data, and that neither such data nor such calculations are guaranteed by these sources, the company, the information providers or any other person or entity, and may not be complete or accurate. From time to time, reference may be made in our marketing materials to prior articles and opinions we have published. These references may be selective, may reference only a portion of an article or recommendation, and are likely not to be current. As markets change continuously, previously published information and data may not be current and should not be relied upon. Only registered members can add into watch list. Register or log in. View full company profile. hVIVO is a rapidly growing UK life sciences company pioneering a technology platform which uses human models of disease to study new drugs and investigate disease in a safe, controlled environment. hVIVO has established itself as the world leader in Read more. hVIVO is a rapidly growing UK life sciences company pioneering a technology platform which uses human models of disease to study new drugs and investigate disease in a safe, controlled environment. hVIVO has established itself as the world leader in this field through the provision of clinical services to third-party study sponsors. To date, the company has conducted over 41 clinical studies, involving more than 2,000 volunteers for a range of leading industry, governmental and academic clients. However, the hVIVO platform has a much wider application in helping to understand illness better because the company believes that the best way to understand human disease is by studying it in humans, not laboratory models. hVIVO is traded in the ISDX exchange here. Hide text.